Welcome to the Right Choice channel. Today, we'll be examining the best dash cams for auto. Prepare for an insightful exploration where I will uncover their exceptional qualities and distinguishing features. Let's delve into the details. The Thinkware F70 Pro is a solid choice if you're looking to capture your drives with clarity. This dash cam boasts a 1080p Full HD resolution and utilizes a wide dynamic range and a 2.1 megapixel CMOS sensor to ensure clear footage both day and night. The 140-degree wide-angle lens provides extensive road coverage with minimal distortion, which is perfect for capturing everything that happens around you. However, this device isn't without its flaws. It lacks a built-in display, which means you'll need to rely on the Thinkware Dashcam Link app to adjust settings or view footage. Also, while the device has parking mode features, they require additional accessories and setup, which could be a hassle if you're looking for a simpler plug-and-play solution. Compared to its competitors, this model stands out with its advanced parking surveillance options like impact and motion detection, time-lapse recording, and energy-saving features which reduce power consumption. These features are particularly useful for keeping your vehicle monitored even when you're not around. In summary, this device is ideal for drivers who need reliable recording capability and advanced features like parking surveillance and night vision, but don't mind using an app to manage their dashcam. It's especially suitable for those who value extensive coverage and detailed video quality for all their road trips and daily commutes. Eager to know the latest prices of these models? Dive into the video description. I've included handy Amazon links for every model I've discussed. Feel free to click through while I continue with the review. The Rove R2 4K Pro dashcam is a powerhouse for recording your road journeys in stunning 4K resolution. With its 150-degree wide angle, you can capture a broad view of the road, ensuring that every detail is recorded. The dashcam features a 2.4-inch IPS screen for vivid playback and easy menu navigation. Its connectivity options are top-notch, offering 5G Wi-Fi for quick downloads directly to your smartphone. On the downside, despite its advanced features, this device can be a bit cumbersome for users who prefer a more straightforward, less feature-dense device. Its numerous settings and options might require a bit of a learning curve for less tech-savvy users. This model sets itself apart from competitors with its robust parking mode capabilities, which include collision detection, time-lapse, and motion detection, though these require an additional hardwire kit for optimal use. Additionally, the built-in GPS and supercapacitor technology offer enhanced safety and durability over models that use standard batteries, especially in extreme weather conditions. In summary, this model is ideally suited for tech enthusiasts and those who prioritize high-quality video footage and extensive features. It's particularly recommended for drivers who face extreme temperatures or need detailed documentation of their daily commutes or long-distance travels. Don't miss out. Be sure to tap that like button and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with all my latest videos. Your support means the world to me. The VIOFO VS1 Mini 2K dashcam brings a lot to the table with its compact and discreet design, making it nearly invisible companion on your drives. The device captures high-quality 2K video footage, ensuring every detail of the road ahead is recorded clearly. This quality is further enhanced by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which improves low-light footage, essential for night driving. A notable downside of this device is that while it comes with many advanced features like voice control and GPS logging, the full utilization of its parking mode features requires the purchase of an optional hardwiring kit. This might be a bit of an inconvenience for those looking for an all-inclusive package without additional purchases. When compared to other dashcams in its class, this model excels with its superior image quality and innovative features like HDR and intelligent voice control. However, it might fall short for users who prefer a dashcam with a simpler setup or less reliance on additional accessories for full functionality. In conclusion, this device is ideal for tech-savvy users who value discreet design and cutting-edge features in their dashcam. It's particularly suited for those who often drive at night or in varied lighting conditions, and who are comfortable managing additional accessories for enhanced functionality. The Vantrue N4 Pro is a triple-channel dashcam that offers comprehensive coverage with front, interior, and rear cameras. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution using the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, ensuring crisp, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The interior and rear cameras record in 1080p, providing complete surveillance of your vehicle's surroundings. A potential drawback for some users could be the need for additional purchases to fully utilize all features. For example, the hardwire kit needed for parking mode and the optional CPL filter for reducing glare are sold separately. This could add to the overall cost and installation complexity. Compared to other dash cams in the market, this device stands out for its high-resolution triple-channel recording capability. Its use of advanced sensors and the ability to capture a wide range of angles provides exceptional coverage in detail, setting it apart from many dual-camera systems. Overall, this model is well suited for drivers who require robust recording capabilities across multiple channels. It's especially ideal for those who drive frequently at night or in busy environments where coverage from multiple angles is crucial for added security and documentation. The Garmin Dashcam Live is a feature-packed device designed for drivers who want consistent connectivity and the ability to monitor their vehicle remotely. This dashcam offers 1440p video resolution, ensuring clear footage both day and night. Its 140-degree field of view captures a wide angle, while built-in LTE allows you to view your camera's live feed or manage videos from anywhere through the Garmin Drive app. One drawback to consider is the need for a continuous LTE subscription to utilize all its features, which may add to additional cost. Additionally, while the device offers extensive safety features like collision warnings and lane departure alerts, these are contingent on an active LTE connection. Compared to other dashcams, this device stands out with its always connected capability, offering peace of mind through features like live video streaming, location tracking, and instant notifications of your parked car. These functionalities make it particularly suitable for vehicle owners concerned about safety and monitoring while away from their car. In summary, this model is ideal for tech-savvy users who prioritize continuous access and oversight over their vehicle. It is especially recommended for those who value security features and the convenience of remote access. As we wrap up, don't forget that you can find links to all the models I talked about in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And remember, I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.